Hi, welcome to VTV's Campus Cooking. I'm your host Noor, and today we're going to be making 3 breakfast recipes because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. If you've never watched an episode of VTV's Campus Cooking, we make quick and easy recipes for students because, let's face it, we're broke and we don't have the time. Our first recipe is an avocado toast. There's a vegan and a non-vegan version where we add a poached egg, but today we're going to be making the non-vegan version. So for that, you would need an avocado, toast, and an egg. So the first thing we're going to do is
peel the avocado.
Okay, no. So a lot of people wonder how to cut an avocado, including me. But all you need to do is slice the avocado in half, twist it, and voila. We're gonna mash the avocado, so we're gonna cut it in small pieces, like so. Put it in a bowl, and take what we cut with a spoon and put it in a bowl. Like so. Then we're gonna mash it with a fork. You don't have to mash it all the way, but just mash it enough so that you can spread it on the toast. That's enough. This is how I mashed it. All right. Next step, we're gonna poach the egg. So poaching an egg is not a lot of people know how to poach an egg. So I'm gonna show you how to poach an egg. So I have some water boiling right here. You basically have to bring it to a boil and then move the lid and bring it to a simmer. All right, so my water is simmering. So I usually crack my egg in a bowl first because I don't trust myself to crack it directly in the pan. So, crack it. Then, what you have to do is you have to take a spoon, preferably with little holes in them, and you just have to turn the water like so, and then you just pour the egg in there and leave it in for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just put it in. Don't cover it because then it'll cook too fast. Just leave it in. You put a timer for 3 to 4 minutes. I usually put 3 minutes and then check if it's cooked enough. And if it's not, I leave it for 1 more minute. So while the egg is cooking, we're gonna spread the avocado on the toast. So just put the avocado on the toast and just spread it. You can spread it with a fork, a knife, a spoon. Doesn't really matter. Just need to spread it. So I personally like my egg, the yolk being still runny, but the white being cooked, fully cooked, not runny at all, but it's really your own preference. I don't know if it's been 3 minutes yet.
It keeps going down on your eyes.
I think it's been 3 minutes now. So you just take the egg out carefully because you don't want it to break. Take it out and see if it's cooked how you like it. So I'm just gonna touch it like this. All right, so it's a little bit raw for me, so I'm just gonna leave it in for 1 more minute. A poached egg cooks very quickly, so that's why you need to monitor it very closely. right, so I think it's been 1 minute. I'm gonna check if it's cooked enough. Touch it. Yeah, definitely cooked enough. All right, so once your poached egg is poached, you basically just put it gently on the avocado toast, like so. And there you go. There is your avocado toast. You could season it with salt and pepper. You could even put chili powder if you like it spicy, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, just a little bit. And I like to add just a couple of chia seeds to make it more interesting, as if it wasn't interesting enough. Yeah, not funny at all. All right, so I just sprinkle a little bit of chia seeds on there. And there you go. There's our avocado toast. As you can see, it only took, what, 5 minutes to make? What?
I'm thinking later.
Okay, so yeah, so, okay.